In this tutorial, we will go through how to create a geofence, make a Geofence event, and trigger an alarm when moving outside of the geofence. To get started, go to the Geofence tab, which by default is found in the lower panel. In the drop-down menu, you can choose which kind of geofence you want to create. The circular geofence can be moved around on the map and rescaled by dragging the border. For more precise tweaking, enter your values into the text boxes and deselect the field to see the changes. The polygon geofence lets you draw an area on the map. You can left-click to add a new vertex point, and to finish your geofence you can either click on the first vertex or right-click to close the selection. By dragging the large squares, you can move it to a new position. And by dragging the small square, you will create a new vertex point. To remove a point, right-click on a large square. The latest addition to geofences is called a route geofence. Route geofences are primarily used to draw a fence along a specific road to ensure that a vehicle stays on the route. This is exactly what we will do right now. I will create a route geofence to make sure that vehicle 1 stays on the road it is on right now. Select the route geofence and left-click on the map to start drawing the fence, and finish by double-clicking where you want the fence to end. For the purpose of this video, I will change the radius to something smaller, like 50 meters. In general, you should choose a larger radius to avoid false alarms. Give your geofence a name and then click on the Advanced drop-down. In order to attach an event to this geofence, we need to tag it. If you are unfamiliar with events, you should have a look at that video before continuing. I will create a new tag for this geofence and call it Route 1. Make sure it is selected and click on Save. Now it's time to create an event that will trigger if vehicle 1 leaves this geofence. Go into the admin menu and add a new event rule. I will move through this quickly because this has been covered in a previous tutorial. Step 4 is important because it is here we will add a new event rule and select Geofence expression. I will select my geofence in the left drop-down menu, and I want it to trigger when the vehicle moves outside of the fence. I will also add a simple notification by inserting an argument. I will call it alarm and insert the vehicle's name followed by went outside and then the geofence name. In the last step, in the map marker section, I will choose my alarm as a label and select always show label. Now we have created a geofence and attached an event to it, so let's see what happens when vehicle 1 takes a wrong turn and goes outside of the fence. There we go, the event triggered and the label is shown on the map, so everything works as it should. The route geofence has another great feature that enables you to generate a route geofence from a track. To do this, show the track for the vehicle and then right-click on the track and click on Create Route Geofence. This is a very handy feature that saves you the trouble of drawing long and complicated fences.